Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're doing a light output video on the GMC Yukon. We have a dual 40-inch light bar installed, both in white, and I wanted to show you guys how much light they actually put out. These are the factory headlights. This is with one 40-inch light bar. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the second 40-inch light bar. So notice how much light you have in terms of width as well as depth to your surroundings. So I'm going to toggle back to the factory headlights.
Okay, go back to one. And now go to two.
Let's do the same test with the high beams. These are factory high beams, and this is a single 40-inch light bar. This is a dual 40-inch light bar. And we'll go back to the factory high beam so that way you guys can see the difference. Single 40-inch, regular high beams. Single 40-inch, dual 40-inch. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the product.